If you're about to pay for Grok AI, wait, there's still a legal way to use it for free. Yeah, full access, same features, no restrictions. Let me show you. Let me first show you proof that Grok AI is working. As you can see, this is a Super Grok account. If it was not, you wouldn't see a subscription option here. Now I will show you by generating a video. I'll put a prompt here, and now let's generate it. I used a prompt to create a video of a character like Brad Pitt, an F1 movie-style scene. Here it is.
Let's remind them how it's done.
The video looks perfect, just like Grok usually makes. Now I will show you how you can get Grok AI for free. Okay, this is a new account. As you can see, there is no Super Grok subscription. And if you try to make a video, it will ask you to pay. Now, to get free Super Grok, go to the home page of Grok. At the bottom right, you will see Try Super Grok. Tap on it. Then tap on Claim Free Offer. After that, fill in your details and tap on Start Trial. This will give you 3 days of free Grok. Make sure you cancel before the 3rd day just to be on the safe side. I know some of you may not want a trial, but I just wanted to show you that you can still use Grok for free in a legal way. It is very easy to do. See you in the next video.